Have you ever been ghosted or completely ignored? It hurts, right? But what if I told you being ignored isn't just painful? It's actually an opportunity to take your power back, rebuild your self-worth, and become someone impossible to ignore. In today's world, attention is the new currency. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to become rich in attention. You'll learn how to transform from someone who seeks attention into someone everyone wants to notice. This isn't just basic advice. This is about psychological leverage in relationships. And by the end of this video, you'll never see being ignored the same way again. 1. Understand the value of your attention. In today's hyper-connected world, attention is extremely valuable. Social media, ads, even people around you, everyone is competing for your time and focus. So why are you giving your attention to someone who doesn't appreciate it? When someone ignores you, they're basically saying your attention has no value to them. But remember, your attention is gold. Action step: do a 24-hour attention audit. Track who and what gets your attention. At the end of the day, ask, is this worth it? If not, redirect your attention to things that truly matter, especially yourself. 2. Become rare. People always want what they can't easily have. That's the law of scarcity. If you're always available, you become ordinary. But if you become rare, you become valuable. How to apply it? Don't reply instantly to non-urgent messages. Stop oversharing on social media. Let people be curious about your life. Remember, mystery creates attraction. 3. Reflect and redirect your energy. When you get ignored, don't focus on them. Redirect that energy back to yourself. Example, ignored for a day, go to the gym. Ignored for a week, start a new project. This helps you avoid overthinking, turn pain into growth. 4. Reset your brain. Every time you check your phone hoping for their message, you're trapped in a dopamine loop. Just like an addiction, it's time to break it. Try a 7-day reset. Day 1 to 2, no social media. Day 3-4, limit phone usage. Day 5 to 6, no digital entertainment. Day 7, full detox. Replace it with exercise, learning new skills, meaningful conversations. Result, you stop craving validation from someone who ignores you. 5. Become the prize. Ask yourself, why should someone choose me? That's your value. Steps: list your top 5 qualities, understand how they benefit others, show those qualities to the world. The goal is simple. You don't chase attention. Attention comes to you. 6. Expand your social circle. Being ignored can make your world feel small, but in reality, the world is huge. 30-day challenge. Meet one new person every day, have small conversations, join new communities. This reminds you, the person ignoring you is just one out of billions. 7. Turn rejection into reflection. Being ignored is uncomfortable, but it's informative. Use it to reflect. Are you attracted to emotionally unavailable people? Do you invest too quickly? Do you ignore your own needs? This isn't about blaming yourself, it's about growth. 8. Rebuild a better version of yourself. See this as your transformation point. Let the old version of you, the one who chased attention and accepted being ignored, fade away. Build a new version. Steps: upgrade your appearance, learn new skills, change your routine, evaluate your circle. Focus on growth. When you evolve, you won't even care about the people who ignored you. Here's the truth: your reaction changes everything. If you keep focusing on the person who ignores you, you lose yourself. But if you redirect that energy inward, you grow. Remember this: being ignored is not a reflection of your worth. It's a signal to redirect your life to something better. And when you do that, you're no longer someone afraid of being ignored. You become someone impossible to ignore. So next time someone ignores you, just smile. Because while they're busy ignoring you, you're busy becoming your best self. Thank you. Hope this helps.